Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name should remain the same. I'm Ken of Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so today, sorry for not showing my face today. Yeah, but still, we have to what? Do something. So today, I want to show you how you can hack your partner's calls and messages. How, if you're a female and you're suspecting that your boyfriend is cheating and you want to know the calls he receives, the calls, the calls he does, the messages and everything, I have a short way to show you. And if you're a boy and expecting that your girlfriend is cheating on you, but you want to know how it is, this one you will do it without their notice. So when, like, you think that, okay, my girlfriend is always calling this person, and you ask that girl, and it's like, oh, this boy there, he just called me once. So this formula will let you know whether she's lying or not. So the same thing applies to if you're a girlfriend and you're suspecting that your boyfriend is cheating, you can also do this. So this one is not only MTN, it's every network, and it's not only Ghana, it's worldwide, everywhere you go. Yeah, everywhere. So this is how you do it. You go to your call logs, then you dial star 61 star. Then you'll add the person's number to it. Like, let's say, then you enter hash, then you call it. So after that, registration is what was successful. So any call, so any call, any chats, you'll be able to what, listen to it without her knowing it. You'll be able to do it without her knowing it. So all it is, you dial star 61 star, then you add the person's number to it, then you click on hash, you're good to go. So next week I will show you, if you catch your partner finish, then you fight and you want to deactivate it, I will show you how you can deactivate it. Yeah. So I hope I'm destroying your marriage or your relationship, or I'm saving your marriage or relationship. ABI actually. Yeah, I just want to help you all. So thank you for watching me. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's grow together. I'm out.